Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we are in a crawl space, abnormally high crawl space, 5 foot on this one, but it is on a slab, and often people say, I wish I had a slab and not a dirt crawl space floor, and they think that that'll eliminate the water problems, but that's not true. And if you can imagine the cost of having to jackhammer up all this concrete and put a drainage system in over digging dirt, you know, you can just imagine that the cost is substantially different. But you can see the water comes in still through hydrostatic pressure, right where the wall is meeting the floor, and it's also coming through the block wall and any type of penetrations. You can see how it's coming through here over in this area. See right through there, and then flows right on down. Now some attempt has been made to put this metal border up that you see to kind of direct the water, but this isn't actually going to work. You see there's more penetrations where the water's coming in all through this crawl space. You look back there, see the amount of water coming through. So we're going to have to waterproof this, which means I have to jackhammer up all that concrete and put in a proper drain tile system with multiple sub pumps in here. Keep this place dry and also seal up all these penetrations. They're allowing all this water to come in as well. There's mold on all the floor joists up there, and all that's going to have to be remediated now as well. Take you through this area. Not as bad. See that? More penetrations on that side. Dehumidifier's only got this relative humidity down to 70%. Needs to be much higher. This HVAC system, I was just told, has been completely replaced because of all the moisture down here. So you can imagine the cost of that by not having your place encapsulated to begin with. So that's just a quick overview of why having a concrete slab in a crawl space may actually be much, much worse, because the cost to fix this is going to be way higher than if it was a dirt crawl space floor. That's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any crawl space issues, moisture issues, mold issues, please call HydroHero at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com.